Hello friends, today we are implementing a program addition of two integer numbers in C++ programming language. Now first line of this program #include IOStream. #include is the preprocessor directory, then IOStream is the header file that can be including the input and output stream. For example, Cout is the output, then Cin is the input. Then second line of this program using namespace standard that can be useful for avoid the conflict in a program using namespace. Then third line of this program integer main means starting of your program, then opening curly bracket. Now first one is the int is the data type. Now data type means a particular type of a data item in C++ programming. Now second one is the number 1, number 2, then sum. Number 1 is the variable, number 2 is the variable, and then sum is the variable. Now first one is you have to performing the operation addition of two integer numbers. Now formula for calculating the addition, sum is equal to number plus number 1 plus number 2. Then you requiring the three variable, number 1, number 2, and then sum. Then next line of this program Cout that can be useful for displaying the message in your output screen. Then next one is the in double quoted we declaring the message enter two integer numbers. Then semicolon that can be useful for terminating the Cout statement. Then next line of this program Cin, then operator number 1 and number 2 means number 1 is the 4 and then number 2 is the 5 means here Cin that can be useful for accepting the input from the keyword means they use the Cin. The next one is the how to provide the comment in a C++ language, two backward slash that can be used, and then next they pass the string value or they pass the message. The next one is the formula for calculating the addition, sum is equal to number 1 plus number 2. The next one is to displaying the result of a sum in an output screen. At that time they use the output function. Now next one is the number 1 is the 4, then plus is the operator. Okay, then next one is the number 2 is the 5, then is equal to sum is the 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here they have to displaying 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. You see out number 1 is the 4 plus, then next one is the number 2 is the 5, then is equal to, and then your result is the 9 that can be stored into the sum variable. Then next line of this program return 0. Return 0 means terminating the main function. The next one is the closing curly bracket. After running of this program, they generating the output means enter two integer numbers. Now first one is the first number is the 4, then second number is the 5. The next one Cout means a number 1, number 2, and then sum means the first number is the 4, then plus, then second number is the 5, and then sum is the 9. If you are like my video, then subscribe it and press bell icon for notification of upcoming video. Thank you.